Welcome to the FMI Think Tank series. This week, the topic that we'll be covering is packaging industry ecosystem. I will be talking about the type of trends that are set to reshape the packaging industry in the near future. Organizations across industry verticals are working towards the circular economy and sustainable initiatives at par, and they are taking this initiative and making sure that they are right on it. So then, what has changed in the packaging ecosystem so far? Flexible packaging, intelligent packaging, active packaging? Yes, maybe. And these have been the key highlights that have redefined the packaging ecosystem so far. But at last, what every eye wants to see is how much is the RQ, that is recycling quotient, and certainly the impact on environment. I believe that with the great fusion of sustainable packaging along with the technological advancements, we can achieve greater heights and strive towards the CE goals that are set by organizations across the globe. The very first trend that could reshape the packaging industry is inclination towards biodegradable materials. With an umbrella view, there are a lot of product families that find place under this tag, including bioplastics, cardboard, paper, and many more. Paper bottles has to be the designated part for the futures. Key companies such as Billard Cosna, Stora Enso, Ilopac, and Tetra Pak are continuously striving towards achieving the mass commercialization of paper bottles and thereby reducing the usage of plastic bottles. The dynamic shift towards usage of paper bottles is stimulated by these big brands and brand builders who are infusing significant innovation just for the replacement of plastic bottles completely. For instance, L'Oreal, in collaboration with ecologic brands, has developed a paper-based pump bottles for usage in the showers. The outer layer is paper bonded with the inner shell using interlocking tabs. Also, Carlsberg has announced 8,000 fiber bottles being sampled in 8 Western European markets that have a PEF lining. PEF, which is polyethylene furanoate, is worked upon by Avantium aggressively. However, there still remains a pressing question on its RQ again, that is recyclability question. As a result, this creates a wide pool of opportunities for stakeholders across the value chain as to what the possible materials could be if at all paper bottles have to completely replace plastic and other alternatives. We can say that such initiatives by the big brands including Coca-Cola, Nestle, P&G and Unilever would bring biodegradable packaging at the forefront in the next 2-3 years. Next, a keen trend would be recycled materials, an important part of circular economic ecosystem. Besides this, some startups are also introducing MMP, which is monolayer packaging instead of multi-layer packaging, which is again very easy to recycle. For instance, Bustani has developed a monolayer packaging material instead of the non-recyclable multi-layer packaging materials, specifically reducing waste in the food and beverages sector. Other than this, there are a lot of other solutions as well if we talk about the recyclable materials, which are PET, PP, PS and PVC. Recycled PET is another very important card if reusable packaging is on the table. For instance, in North America, Coca-Cola has reduced the consumption of new plastic by 20% and increasing the usage of rPET. Over the years, the trend of quick and ready-to-deliver packaging has been on the rise that could also promote and provide a lot of traction to the recycled materials packaging. Having said that, the demand for recycled PET is on the rise as we are seeing tremendous investments and positive approach from leading cosmetic and FMCG brands. Key recyclers and producers are also expecting a sharp rise in the sales of recycled PET as these brands are quite ambitious and innovative enough to have their packaging products made out of recycled PET. Last but definitely a very important factor is reusable packaging. Brands are offering reusable containers that can be refilled or repurposed, thereby reducing the usage of SUPs, which is again single-use plastics. The idea of sustainability through reuse has been around for a while, But now this consumer trend is gaining a lot of traction than it has ever before. For instance, Loop has partnered with a lot of key brands enabling the usage of reusable packaging solutions for cosmetic products. This is just like the big beverage brands that have managed to keep up with the soda bottle phenomena. Starbucks has launched a reusable cup programs which offers discounts to its customers on the use of reusable cups instead of disposable cups. Customers nowadays need to see much more value in the reuse of products and packaging to buy into the sustainability initiative that has gone behind it. Businesses are also investing a lot in the reusable packaging innovation just to make sure that they are doing a lot of good things to the environment than doing bad. Again, keeping up with the sustainability initiatives. At last, I believe sustainability is no longer an optional add-on for the industry stakeholders, yet it is one of the key important aspects in the future business planning for the stakeholders involved in whole of the packaging ecosystems. The complete story of the product, that is WSW, is becoming a key important aspect in the purchasing decisions. Where it has come from, how was it made, what is its RQ, that is recycling question.